The agreements were signed between the head of key agencies, including the Guyana Police Force, the Guyana Revenue Authority, Guyana Gold Board, and the Guyana Defense Force Coast Guard during a simple ceremony held in the conference room of the Sleep-In Hotel on Church Street, Georgetown. Through the agreements, Guyana will be able to implement and comply with Recommendation 2 of the Financial Action Task Force, which deals with national cooperation and coordination that requires countries to ensure that policymakers at the operational level have effective mechanisms in place so that they are able to cooperate, coordinate, and exchange information with each other as it relates to the development and implementation of policies and activities to combat money laundering and financial crimes. The move is part of Guyana's effort as it prepares to demonstrate compliance with and effective implementation of the Financial Action Task Force recommendations, which are aimed at combating money laundering, terrorism financing, and proliferation financing. The Caribbean Financial Action Task Force will be conducting an on-site assessment in Guyana beginning on September 4. In his remarks, Attorney General, Minister of Legal Affairs Anel Nandalal said over the last 3 months, several pieces of legislation were passed in the National Assembly to improve Guyana's effectiveness in mitigating these crimes.
And what we are dealing with here largely is revenue and the regulation of revenue and money, and to monitor how they are received, how they are generated, and how they are spent.
According to Nandalal, Guyana had to update its laws in preparation of the exercise to avoid facing sanctions.
So we have been working over the past 2 years in preparing our country for this important assessment. We had to ensure that we bring our legislative requirements up to speed. Administratively, we also had to do a number of things to ensure that we implement the relevant recommendations.
Following the signing of the agreements, the agencies participated in a preparation workshop ahead of the on-site assessment, which will last for a 2-week period. Reporting for the newsroom, Sharda Bacchus.